All right, guys, I'm out here at 7 yards to the still target. You can't see it, but I do have it mic'd, and hopefully the mic will pick up the hits. I'm going to do a fast draw from my pocket in my vest with a set of LifeCard sights on the pistol. I'm shooting CCI Standard Velocity. I've got a shot timer, so when I'm going to hit go and then wait for the beep and see how fast I can get a shot on target. Here we go. All right, was on target. 5.4 seconds. Let's see what I can do on another shot. All right, gun is in the pocket. CCI Standard Velocity. All right, on target again. 4.5 seconds. Let's do one more. See if I can beat that time. Here we go. On target. 3.61 seconds. So that's not too bad, I don't think. I'll show you the shots. There's 3 on the target. Let's go out here. We'll look at the target right quick.